This how to 1 minute will show you how to install WordPress theme on localhost XAMPP server. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add or change theme. First of all, log into your localhost WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance and click on Themes. Now click on Add New. And here scroll down and you will get lots of free and paid WordPress theme. Now I'm going to installing this one. So I'm clicking on Install. And before installing the theme, make sure you've connected with internet. Once the theme installed, now activate the theme. And now I'm going to opening my website. And as you can see, I've successfully changed the theme. So this is how we can install theme on WordPress localhost XAMPP server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.